Whew. That smells worse than sewage. Dude, this has to be the worst smell I have ever smelt in my entire life. I have no idea what this is from, and neither do they. Got it all out, and boy, it just smells so bad. I gotta rinse that out of there. Alright, so we had to come next door because I couldn't get the snake to go down, but there's the drain right there. So I think this side will be easier. Alright, so we're on the other side. I took all that off. It probably won't go back on because it's all rusted and crusty right there, but it is what it is. I could not get the snake to go down the drain on the other side, but got it on this side. And I'm going to test the drain.